Staying safe around your furnace system. Staying safe around your furnace system is essential to protect your home and your family. Furnaces are common heating systems, and they can pose safety risks if not properly maintained and operated. Here are some tips to help you ensure safety around your furnace system. Regular maintenance. Schedule annual professional inspections and maintenance for your furnace. A qualified technician can identify and address any potential issues. Replace air filters regularly, usually every 1-3 months, to maintain proper airflow and reduce the risk of overheating. Carbon monoxide CO detector. Install carbon monoxide detectors near your furnace and in key areas of your home, especially near bedrooms. Test the detectors regularly and replace the batteries as needed. Clear the area. Keep the area around your furnace clear of clutter, flammable materials, and any obstructions. Ensure there is proper ventilation. Avoid storing items near the furnace, as it can create a fire hazard. Combustible materials. Store any combustible materials, such as paper, chemicals, and cleaning products, away from the furnace area. Ensure that your furnace is not installed near flammable materials, and follow manufacturer's clearance recommendations. Fire safety. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby, and make sure it is in good working condition. Familiarize yourself with the emergency shut-off switch for your furnace and know how to use it. Child safety. If you have children or pets, make sure they are aware of the potential dangers associated with the furnace and keep them away from the area. Pilot light and gas leaks. If you have a gas furnace, learn how to relight the pilot light and safely turn off the gas supply in case of a leak. If you smell gas, evacuate your home immediately and call your gas company or emergency services. Ventilation. Ensure that your furnace's exhaust and intake vents are unobstructed and functioning properly. Regularly inspect the flue and chimney for blockages, as improper ventilation can lead to carbon monoxide buildup. Electrical safety. Keep the area around your furnace dry and free from water exposure. Regularly check electrical connections and ensure they are secure. Faulty wiring can be a fire hazard. Follow operating instructions. Read and follow the manufacturer's operating instructions for your specific furnace model. If you have questions or concerns about your furnace, consult the manufacturer's manual or a professional technician. Emergency preparedness. Develop an emergency plan for your family that includes what to do in case of a furnace-related emergency or power outage during cold weather. Professional repairs. If you suspect an issue with your furnace, do not attempt to repair it yourself. Call a qualified technician to assess and fix the problem. By following these safety guidelines, you can help ensure that your furnace system operates efficiently and safely. Reducing the risk of accidents, fires, or health hazards associated with heating systems.